morning, everybody. Here's our little rainbow vampire place of abodeness. And just wanted to go see what was going on with our own little mini tent city up here. And over here at this house, there's kind of like a little congregation of sorts that's happening, but we've got some definite activity going on there. It's a cold and rainy day in Olympia. Maybe those are some more folk from that place. And once again, it's across the street from this illustrious new sort of little North Korea looking place, and I don't even think its little lobby can make up for the neighborhood. So anyway, everybody, good morning. It looked a little bit intense seeing just people down there in this sort of open air cafe of the it's kind of rather sewer-like in that place. I did go there once and filmed in there about a while back, and it was pretty stinky there, so that is interesting. There's a little cultural Marxist for you right there. And once again, I can maybe do one more little sort of look-see over that way. It looks like they've got a little American flag up, if you can see it over there. So that's kind of what's going on over there, and they're just kind of there.